Welcome to our lesson on understanding mixed numbers. What is a mixed number? A mixed number includes a whole number and a fraction. So right here I have an example of a mixed number, 3 3/4. The 3 represents our whole number and the 3/4 is our fraction. So to show this, to model this with a picture, we would have 3 wholes, 1, 2, 3, and then 3/4 of another. Okay? A mixed number is always greater than a whole. All right, let's practice. To show your understanding of a mixed number, draw a picture to represent the mixed number. So we have 4 1/2. So let's see here. If we wanted to show a picture for this, we know we would have 4 wholes, and then we would have 1/2 of another. So this picture shows 4 1/2. Okay, now draw a picture to represent 5 4/10. Okay, we would have our wholes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, remember this is our whole number. And then we need to show our fraction, 4/10 of another one. So we'll have shade in 4 of the 10 parts. Okay, and we know that all these are shaded in because these are wholes. So this picture shows 5 4/10. Okay, let's try another one. Our mixed number is 3 2/6, and we want to draw a picture to represent this. So we know we'll have our 3 wholes, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 is our whole number, and then we need to show 2/6. So we'll shade in 2 of the 6 pieces in our last part. Okay, so this picture shows 3 2/6. This concludes our lesson on understanding mixed numbers.